So over here, you can see that I have a Figma design file. And if I were to go around over here on the top, you can see Shape Tools is an option. So if I were to go to Shape Tools and bring in a rectangle, then I have a rectangle. Similarly, I can go around, bring in a polygon. I have a polygon right here. If I want to edit this, I can double click on any of these, and now I am in the Shape Edit tool mode. So you can go around right here, you can click and drag out the points right here, as long as you're on the Move tool, as you can see right here. You can go around right here, move this out. If you want to add in points, you can go around over here, click and drag out any center point, and you can see you can add points right here. And if you want to go around and add curve to the points, you can hold shift on your keyboard to actually go around, snap it on the point, but you can go around and hold control on your keyboard to actually go around, add in Bezier curves over here. So you can go around, move the Bezier curve right here, or you can go around right here and hold Alt to actually move only one part of the Bezier right here. So you can completely change the outlook of the shape, as you can see. If you can also select out points and delete it, that converts this into a line, but you can select this out and you can go around onto the file menu, and you can go around over here onto, let's say for example, onto the vector option right here and join the selection, convert this into a shape right here. So let me just go around, double click outside, and over here you can fill this out again to make it a shape. You can do the same with this as well. So you can move this around, as you can see, or you can click and drag this, and you can see that you can make this into any shape you want. So you can simply click and drag it, or you can hold control on your keyboard and then turn this into a curve right here. So this is how you can create any shape of your choice, as you can see, and then work around with this. So that is how you can work around with the options within the Shape Edit tool inside of a Figma design file. So if you guys learned something, as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.